Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this twin video edit on CapCut PC. So select your video and you're just going to copy and paste that. You're going to simply select cutout and you're going to select auto cutout and you're just going to move it to the side a bit. If you want, you can kind of have the same background, but it's a little bit complicated. You can kind of mirror it to the side and mask it using the split one. So split it this way and kind of feather it, but it's a little bit more complicated. It's going to create this weird edit, but as you can see, it kind of meshes later on. So I suggest just using the normal background. If there's no space, you can just remove the background instead on the original video and have these two next to each other like that. And you can add in a background yourself, maybe from canvas here. So go to basic, go to canvas. You can use either the color one or you can use style. Or you can add in your own video background, but you'll have to also color correct it just to make it look more realistic. But if you don't want to make it look super realistic, it's fine. Just use a random background off of CapCut or whatnot. But yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!